All right, y'all. I know I'm excited, but I did not want to buy a new wash machine, and I probably watched 40 hours of how to fix a wash machine online. And I want to thank everybody out there that puts these videos out. This ended up being the clutch assembly on my Midea wash machine. I did all the diagnostic tests, like they said, and no codes were thrown up. But eventually, I pulled the clutch assembly, and let me show you how horrible this thing is. Okay, and the gears itself, I know there's a lot of tools laying around here. This is what ended up being the problem. It has two gears. Let me get the other gear. And I know I'm excited because I just fixed this. It's exciting to fix something yourself. This spring is in between these two, but they are actually one piece, and it looked like a slinky. But you see how it was busted off? So I needed to order the clutch assembly. It was $103. Easy to fix. Just got to take off some parts. You can watch videos on that, but you just take off that plate down there. Then there's screws underneath it. You tip your machine over, take the 4 bolts out of the clutch assembly, put the clutch assembly back in. Oh, I'm excited. Thank you to all those other YouTubers that put out videos of how to fix things, because it did help. Just this was the last thing to try. I did do the lid lock, like a lot of them suggested first, and the lid switch, and it wasn't either one of those. So now that's when I went underneath. Thank you.